Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Tails OS latest version, that is 6.15 on VirtualBox. So first go to Tails OS official website, that is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. Then see here at the time of installation the latest release is Tails 6.15, but the installation process is same for all the versions. Okay, scroll down, then click on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 6.15 ISO image. Click on download, or you can download by using this BitTorrent file. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download completes, open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel how to install, or go through this video description. You will find how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now go to machine and select new, or click on new, either is same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, go to folders. Then select the path and select folder. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See here I have the Tails 6.15 ISO image. Select it. See, once we select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian, and version is 64-bit. Skip this unattended installation. Then go to hardware. Here memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am going to give it as 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. See, this hardware and hard disk are based on your availability. Click on, if you are okay with the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay. If you are okay with the settings, then click on start. Now use the up and down arrow, select the first one, that is Tails 6.15. Hit enter. Now we have to configure like language and formats, persistent storage, and additional settings. Okay. Language, if you want to change, click on it and you can search the language from this list, or you can select from this by dragging this one. See here you have the almost all languages. Okay, I am okay with this in English United States. Keyboard layout, formats, I am okay with these also. If you want to persistent storage, just you have to on this one. Okay, it is up to you. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. Now we have to set the password. By default it is off, so set the password for administration. Remember this password. Then click on add. The same way, if you want to add other information like MAC address, offline mode, on network connection, okay, I don't want to configure them. If you set these options, then click on start Tails. See here we got the tar connection. If you want to connect, just click on connect to tar. Okay, then you have to click on, then you have to select this radio button to connect to tar automatically, and click on connect tar. See, it is connecting to tar. Okay, now go to activities, show applications, open terminal. Let me increase the font. Now verify the version that we have installed more /etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails and its version is 6.15 and its ID is like Debian. That's why at the time of creation I asked you to select the Debian. Okay. The first step after connecting to Tails OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administration account. See, successfully connected. If you want to start the tar browser, click on start tar browser. Wait a moment, it will open the tar browser. Provide the password. Hit enter. See, you got the tar browser. See, it is going to upgrade these packages. Type A for confirmation, hit enter. Go to applications. See here we have these pre-installed applications. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tails OS 6.15 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.